In the heart of Eastern Europe lies a hidden gem for thrill seekers and nature lovers alike. Nestled amidst beautiful, endless forests and traditional rural villages where time seems to have stood still. Romania's awe-inspiring landscapes, dominated by the majestic Carpathian Mountains and their seemingly boundless forests, beckon riders to embark on an enduro adventure like no other. It's a journey where every twist of the trail reveals nature's beauty and challenges your spirit, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. The adventure doesn't stop there. As you traverse the terrain, you most definitely encounter nature's obstacles in the form of river rocks. Ranging from small stones to large and imposing boulders. These rocky formations pose a true test of your riding skills, pushing you to your limits.
You get to the right hand side. Piece of pissy.
In the Romanian mountains, the volatile weather wields its influence over the endless trails and untouched virgin tracks, creating a dynamic challenge for all riders. From dusty hill climbs under the unforgiving sun, there will be moments when the swirling dust may compromise your visibility, consequently affecting your ability to make the best decisions.
Can't see shit.
These moments may compromise and test your endurance and sheer willpower, but a true enduro rider's heart always craves for more. After you've battled the dust, the rain can suddenly appear, transforming the entire landscape.
It's gonna be a very, very slippery beach here. Stay more on the right side. Is it all recording now, yeah? Yeah, it's recording.
Treacherously slippery rocks and tree roots emerge during the drenching rain, sometimes trapping you in deep trenches as you tackle steep climbs. Rivers become less predictable and try to take you off your bike.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Everybody was doing it in the way. Yeah. Because of this. Yeah. Oopsie.
And from the welcoming embrace of grassy meadows to the quagmire of impenetrable mud, whatever direction you may go, you will without any doubt test your skill and adaptability with No Mud Adventures. Nestled amidst the beautiful mountains, the No Mud Adventures HQ extends a warm welcome to riders from all corners of the world. It's an all-inclusive adventure paradise. No Mud Adventures equips its guests with top-of-the-line KTM Enduro two-stroke bikes and all the necessary gear, ensuring unforgettable rides and experiences for everyone.